how to transfer USDT from Phantom wallet to your Binance account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply log into your Binance account. After that, open up your wallet or simply click on this option of deposits over here. Then select the option of deposit crypto, and over here you need to select the option of USDT. Then under the network, simply select Solana. Here it is, simply select Solana, and as soon as you will select Solana, you would get an address. Simply copy this address and open up your Phantom wallet. In your Phantom wallet, simply click on this option of send, then type USDT over here, select USDT, paste the address, and after that type the amount that you want to send. Click on this option of next. After that, click on this option of send, and this way you would be able to send USDT from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.